Hey, it's your favorite realtors, TJ Francisco, Nikki Tran. We are hosting a barbecue summer bash for you, our beloved clients, here in Sterling Heights at Dodge Park, August 9th, which is a Saturday.
From 11 to 4, we'll have kids games, we'll have games for the family, we'll have cornhole, volleyball, the splash pad available for use.
We need a head count, very, very important, because we will be buying and providing admittance to the splash pad, which we need to know up front because there is some limitations to availability, obviously. So please, 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 we beg if you're going to bring kids, please let us know how many we have because we are providing food and entrance to the splash pad, in addition to all the other wonderful things Dodge Park has, such as volleyball, basketball, the cornhole we're bringing, and all of these other things.
And mostly entertainment by TJ.
Absolutely. I mean, that's priceless, worth the admission for sure. So we want to see you. We want to know who's coming so we can provide a wonderful opportunity for you and your family. If you're going to bring kids for the splash pads, please pack appropriately with sunblock, towels, and that sort of thing.
Registration will begin promptly at 11 o'clock for the cornhole tournament, the kids relay races, but don't worry, the prizes will be all worth it. Please join us promptly at 11.
So we ask you, please, if you want to join these activities and win these prizes for your kids, to come here, register, put yourself in so we can keep this thing moving along. Because we'll have balloon toss, three-legged races, egg and spoon races, a whole bunch of different little fun things and keep you guys active and having fun, and your family should have a blast.
Don't cheat. Don't cheat.
I don't cheat. Do you cheat? You're a cheater.
No, I don't even have kids to do those relays with.
We'll see what happens. To be determined. Let's go.